Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Amazon. Without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and sign into your Amazon account. Once you're signed into your Amazon account, click on the profile at the top right corner and scroll all the way down. And you can see settings and currency settings. Click on currency settings. Now as you can see, since my region is United Kingdom, my currency is British pound by default. Now if we click on the drop down, you can choose any currency you like. For now I'll choose Chinese yuan and click on save changes. Now if I scroll through the products, now the products are priced in terms of yuan. So that's how you can change the currency on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.